Chapter 5. The Mind of Victory. A soldier without courage can hold a line for a day. A commander without belief cannot hold it at all. The mind of victory is forged in conviction. Visualize the moment when right technique meets opportunity. See yourself delivering the perfect strike, completing the business deal, crossing the finish line. Champions rehearse success in thought long before it arrives in deed. Control your inner language. Replace "I can't" with "I will learn." Replace "maybe later" with "today." Feed your mind with stories of persistence, studies in performance, and lessons from the greats. Mental toughness is training. Exposure to stress in measured doses, deliberate reflection, and the habit of returning after defeat. Cultivate confidence through competence. Learn, practice, and the belief will follow.